Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Endless. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of a SEC course named Public Speaking in English Language and Leadership. As you can see on the screen, here are the credit distribution, eligibility and prerequisites of the course. It is a two-credit course. Learning objectives. The learning objective of this course are as follows: to impart leadership skills to students along with adequate communication skills, to curate strong leaders in the emerging social, political, and corporate world, to create leaders with ethics and resilience in industry based fields as well as social fields, to allow students to realize their leadership skills and curate them through a hands on practical approach which will be helpful in generating employment skills for them. Learning outcomes. The learning outcomes of this course are as follows. After studying this course, students will be able to learn effective communication through public speaking, will instill leadership development among students. Students will be able to lead in different fields at an undergraduate level, be responsible citizens, and employ leadership skills in their future endeavors too. Students will be able to strengthen their critical mindset, help them being assertive, and put forward constructive viewpoints, employing the skills learned in the practical sessions. Here is the detailed syllabus. There are a total of 4 units. Theory, 8-hour theory. Unit 1, Introduction of Effective Communication Features, Advantages and Disadvantages, Importance of Listening, Oral Communication, Its Meaning, Features and Importance. Unit 2, Public Speaking, 2 hours. What is speech? Overcoming fear of public speaking, language of public speech, drafting a public speech, reading, research, writing, fact check, rewriting, delivery. 3 P's of public speaking: preparation, practice, performance. Theoretic skills, art of informative and persuasive speaking. Concluding speech with power. Types of public speaking: physical and online. Political, organization, educational, motivational. TED Talks, public speaking in media. Unit 3, Leadership skills. Meaning, features, and importance. Historical overview. Leadership in academic life, corporate space, public life, social leadership, and political leadership. Leadership and innovation, audience analysis, audience engagement, and leadership, influencing through leadership. Unit 4, Importance of public speaking in developing leadership skills. Ethics in public speaking and leadership. Practical sessions, 24 hours. Reading public speech, reading documented speeches delivered in the past, understanding the art of wordplay, vocabulary, putting through into words, listening in groups and discussions, listening famous speeches from history and everyday life, analysis of its elements and classroom discussion, writing public speech, classroom practice sessions, execution and delivery of public speech, learning theoretics through speeches in the form of audio, video, learning body language and paralanguage through ICT, developing leadership competence through public speaking, infraclass speech, competition, example, group discussion, mock parliament slash MUNC, workshop, total hours of theory 8, total hours for practical session 24, total hours for classes 32. Suggest here are the suggestive readings if you want to. You can go through them. As you can see on the screen, here are the examination scheme and mode. That's all for today. Hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel. And if you find this video helpful, do share with your friends. See you soon.